this short video, I am going to explain how the Pfizer coronavirus vaccine works. Enjoy. It's an mRNA vaccine, meaning that pieces of messenger RNA are put to work. And here's how it works. To understand this, you have to know a little bit about molecular biology. And the central belief of molecular biology is that DNA codes for RNA, and that codes for proteins. So in our bodies and all of our cells, we have the DNA, which is basically a list of possibilities. And then that list of possibilities is read and transcribed into RNA. And then the RNA is put into little machinery inside of the cell that converts that into proteins. And then proteins are the building blocks of life. What this vaccine takes advantage of is the fact that our body's own machinery will indiscriminately sense a small snippet of messenger RNA, and it'll automatically code the protein for that. And in this case, they're using a protein from the coronavirus, SARS-CoV-2, known as the spike glycoprotein. It's just a small sequence of code that codes for that spike protein of the coronavirus. So what happens is you get the vaccination, your tissues in that area get flooded with those pieces of messenger RNA, and by probability, some of them make it inside of some of your cells. And inside of the cells, the machinery gets to work and starts translating that sequence of spike protein mRNA into the actual spike protein. And then the cell starts to realize that, wait a minute, there's some kind of foreign body inside of our cell. We need to alert the rest of the body of what is going on. So it puts that spike protein on the outer surface of its cell membrane. So imagine that you have hundreds of cells now that have that, what we call an antigen, that spike glycoprotein on the surface of its cell, which is a signal to other types of white blood cells to come and detect it. And whenever they detect it, they make antibodies to that spike protein. So now the body thinks it's under attack, makes all these antibodies. So if you do come into contact with the actual COVID-19 SARS-CoV-2 coronavirus, then you have the antibodies to fight off that invasion more quickly than if you were just becoming infected for the first time. So that's how it works. I hope you understood this. If you didn't, if you have any questions, please leave those down in the comment section below. If you liked the video, consider giving it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and click the bell so that you don't miss out on my future videos. I thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.